The 2 weeks external court session of the ECOWAS Court of Justice, the president of the ECOWAS Court, Justice Edward Amoako-Asante, said the presence of the court in Ghana is a recognition of the leading role played by Ghana in the integration process of ECOWAS and also the desire to deepen collaborations between the ECOWAS Court of Justice and the national courts.
The external court session is a very useful tool for us to create awareness about the court, its mandate, jurisdiction, practice, and procedure. Since ECOWAS, in its Vision 2020, evolved from an ECOWAS of states to ECOWAS of peoples, it is expedient that the people, that's the community citizens, should know the Community Court of Justice, which is their court, and therefore take ownership of it.
The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Mr. Godfred Yeboah-Dame, commended the expansion of the jurisdiction of the ECOWAS court, but said the downside to the development is that the future of the court as an instrument for integration across sub-region remains in doubt.
The future of the court as an instrument for integration across the ECOWAS community remains in doubt due to the fact that dockets of the court contain few cases, if at all, involving tariffs, trade barriers, and other integration law issues. Instead, they are dominated by suits by individuals and non-governmental organizations alleging human rights violations. There ought to be a strategy for boosting the number of cases invoking the court's jurisdiction on account of migratory issues, non-tariff and other unfair trade measures adopted by countries in the West African community as part of a broader strategy to enhance the court's originally conceived role as an engine for integration.
The Chief Justice of Ghana, Justice Enini Yeboah, speaking on the duties of the ECOWAS court, said the court is not an appellate court of the national courts of member states.
The mandates of the National Courts of Ghana are clearly spelled out in the Constitution of Ghana and in our national laws. While our national courts operate within our municipal system, the ECOWAS Court of Justice operates at our sub-regional level. The mandates of our two courts are clearly different, and as the ECOWAS Court of Justice has often maintained, we are not in competition. The ECOWAS Court is not an appellate court over the national courts of member states. There is, however, room for collaboration in the execution of our different mandates.
Justice Enini Yeboah said the expansion of the ECOWAS court requires an adequate number of judges to discharge its functions effectively, and again, it is necessary to review the 4 years non-renewable tenure of the members of the court. This is to enable the community to derive maximum benefits from their wealth of experience. The first session of the sitting commenced after the opening event. The 2-week session ends on April 1, 2022.